haven't worn my Sailor Moon bands in a while and was super excited to bring them out until I saw the black laces. The black laces would not go with my outfit and I was no longer feeling them, so I opted for baby blue laces instead. Lacing your sneakers doesn't have to be time-consuming nor tedious. Keep watching and I'll show you how to quickly swap your laces to transform your sneakers with a pop of color. Let's get into it. I recommend you putting your shoes on when you lace, for this provides frame and structure as you're lacing. Start with the eyelets furthest from you. This should be at the top of your shoe. And pull your laces through the top of those eyelets. This will make all the difference at the end. Make sure your laces are neat, for this will set the tone for your lacing. Next, take the right lace and put it through the top of the left eyelet. Pull through. Afterwards, take the left lace and put it through the top of the right eyelet. You'll start to notice a crisscross pattern forming. Continue crisscrossing your laces until you reach the last eyelets closest to your ankle. Now you want to form a gentle knot at the end of your lace. I emphasize gentle so that you can undo the knot later. You want to tuck your ends of your lace into your shoe in a way that's comfortable around your feet yet secure for your shoe to stay on. And there you have it, you are all laced up and ready to go. What a difference a pop of color can make and how it brings out the Sailor Moon designs in my Vans. I love these. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you're looking for more feminine style tips for your soles, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.